G'day everyone. Today we're going to talk about how you can do some maths practice at home. When I was at school there was a bunch of different maths games that you could use to try and improve your addition, subtraction, multiplication skills, but the one thing they were all missing was Nerf guns. So let's check out what you'll need. The first thing you're going to need is some sort of blaster. Nerf guns work really well, but anything that fires darts will work. If you don't have one, a soft ball or even just a screwed up piece of paper will work. You need a random number generator. You can use an app on your phone or tablet, or you just Google number generator. You're going to need paper and a pen to be able to keep track of your score, a piece of paper that will turn into our targets, blue tack to stick it up against the wall, and someone to challenge. Brother, sister, mum, dad, just someone to take on in this challenge. The first thing we need to do is to create our target. I've got an A3 piece of paper here, but it will work with an A4. Your target will just be a little bit smaller. If you want a bigger target, just stick a couple of A4 bits together. First, I'm going to fold it in half, and then in half again. Then, I'm going to unfold it, and I want to fold it lengthways in thirds. Now it doesn't matter if you're not absolutely precise here, just fairly close is going to work. By doing that, you can see I've now got 12 spaces. If we're doing multiplication practice, we can do up to our 12 times table. The next step is to number each of the squares. And this is going to form our target. Now that we've got our target set up, we need to find somewhere to hang it using our blue tack. You want to find somewhere that's got a little bit of distance so that it's going to be a little bit of a challenge, somewhere like a hallway or across a room. Just make sure it's somewhere that people aren't going to regularly walk through and get hit in the face with one of our Nerf shots. I'm going to stick mine up here in the garage because this is where I'm doing my recording. And gives me plenty of space to make it a little bit more challenging. For the first round, we're going to practice addition. What you need to do is use your random number generator to generate a number between 1 and 100. This will be the target number. You're then going to fire a Nerf dart and write down the number. The other player gets a turn, and then it's back to you. Keep adding the numbers together until one of you reaches the target. First one to reach the target wins. Here's the catch: if you go over the number, you have to start back at 0. Good luck! For our second round, we're going for subtraction. This works pretty much the same way. Start with a number between 1 and 100. Each shot, take that number away from the number that you generated. First one to reach 0 wins. If you go below 0, again, you've got to go back to the starting number. Now things start to get a bit more complicated as we move into the multiplication round. This time you're going to use your number generator to come up with a number between 1 and 144. This time each player gets 2 shots and they multiply the 2 numbers that they hit together. Whoever gets closest to the target number gets a point. First to 5 points wins the round. If you want to make things really complicated, add a round for division. It's up to you how you do this. It's going to be a little bit trickier, but it's another great way to get in some more practice. I hope you've had a bit of fun, found a bit of a fun way to do some maths practice, and we'll see you in the next video.